Hey guys, what's up? So only days left for Xiaomi to unveil the Mi 10T series on the 30th of September. However, the leaks have hardly left anything to the imagination. Though we know as to how the phones look, some high-resolution renders of both the phones have leaked, giving us a glimpse of the smartphones from all angles. Now, to be fair, the phones look identical. In fact, they have the exact same specs, except some differences in the camera department. The Mi 10T Pro will sport a 108-megapixel primary camera with OIS, along with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide and a 5-megapixel macro, whereas the Mi 10T would swap the primary for a 64-megapixel sensor without OIS. Now, the 10T Pro would most likely have a gimbal-like stabilization as is seen in the Vivo X50 Pro, given the similar camera module. However, a telephoto camera would have made more sense for the triple camera setup instead of the macro, but the price would have gone up as well. You also get a 20-megapixel camera inside a tiny punch hole on the front of both the smartphones for selfies. Other specs include the Snapdragon 865, 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and at least 128GB of UFS 3.1 fast storage on the 10T, while a 256GB variant of the Pro might be on sale as well. The battery is a healthy 5000 mAh cell that comes with support for 33 watts of fast charging, which is okay, especially considering the LCD panel, which consumes more power compared to an OLED display. The USP of the device definitely is the 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS display that comes with support for a 144Hz refresh rate, but it would have been awesome to see an OLED panel instead, even if that meant going down on the refresh rate, as there's hardly anything to take advantage of that 144Hz display. The phones also get a dual stereo speaker setup, however they are missing a headphone jack. Also, the front and back are protected with Gorilla Glass 5. The Mi 10T would be available in black and silver color options, while the 10T Pro gets an additional blue color variant. There is the Mi 10T Lite as well, which will be powered by the Snapdragon 750G SoC and will be available in 6 plus 64GB and 6 plus 128GB options. It also gets a 4720 mAh battery. Other specs of the phone are under wraps, but it is expected to be rebranded as the Redmi Note 10 in China and have a price tag of under 300 euros. You also get 3 colors to choose between gold, grey and blue. Anyway, we don't have to wait long for the complete specs as the launch event will take place tomorrow at 7:30 PM IST. That being said, do let me know what do you think about these smartphones from Xiaomi in the comments section. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.